my coleslaw recipe. Hello, I'm Rodney Scott, pitmaster and co-owner of Rodney Scott's Whole Hog Barbecue, and I'm here in beautiful Charleston, South Carolina, and today I'm going to share with you my smoked chicken and coleslaw recipe, which is absolutely great for any backyard entertaining. Coleslaw complements any backyard barbecue. Our recipe that we're about to give you is exactly the recipe that we use in our restaurants. Cool, creamy, crunchy, it's always a great complement to our barbecue. You want to cut your cabbage head into quarters and remove the tough core. You want to use a box grater to grate the cabbage and the carrots and put them in a bowl. Cut the green pepper into 1/4-inch dice and then add them into the bowl. Next, you want to add your remaining ingredients: your mayonnaise, black pepper, cayenne, your salt, your sugar, relish, vinegar, don't forget to put that love in there. Serve your coleslaw immediately, or you can refrigerate it for 3 to 4 days. First thing you want to do with your smoked chicken is get your fire started and get your grill preheated to 225 to 250 degrees. I recommend the whole chicken, spatchcock or split in half so that you can have breast, wing, thigh, and legs all smoked at the same time. Take your chicken, season the top side, go under the wings. You always want to cover that spot under the wings. Flip it over, and you want to season all of the cavities around the bone, the backbone, breastbones. Make sure you have a nice even cover of the rub on the chicken. Once your chicken is seasoned, you want to place it on your grill with the bone side down. You want to cook it there for about an hour to an hour and a half, all while maintaining that temperature of 225 to 250 degrees. Once your chicken has reached this color after an hour, you want to take some Rodney sauce, mop the skin side, flip it over, mop the bone side, and close it down for about another hour, or at least until it reaches an internal temp of 165 degrees. Once your chicken's done, mop it one more time with Rodney sauce, take it off the grill, allow it to rest 5 minutes before serving your guests. Man, that's good. Thanks, Rachel, and happy 4th of July, everyone.
Thank you, Rodney. And John wants to eat the book. Like, literally, he wants to eat the book.
I'll smoke it for a low heat, about 180 for about 7 hours.
Be sure to check out this great book, John's new favorite. It's available now.